I just watched Wednesday season 2 on Netflix, and on episode 1 I heard the song of Bruce Springsteen, Dancing in the Dark. And there's a phrase there in the chorus. It says, "We can't start a fire without a spark." So me and my CTO is building that spark on our passportturtles.com website, and it will be involving smallholder farmers across the globe. So you will see that there's a map there, and it indicate the coffee producing countries from different regions. Okay, so probably by Monday you would see the finished at least a demonstration of the website. But for the features, it's all written on our desktop, so you can see that yet. What we could do is we could show some screenshot of our application, so that the farmers, the stakeholders, roasters, and coffee exporters will be benefiting from it. So we need this application because we will be heavily relying on that. Okay, so again, from the song of Bruce Springsteen, Dancing in the Dark, you can't start a fire without a spark. So it will be better if you guys will also be part of this spark, so that we can build a huge fire and be seen across the globe. Okay, because this is a lot of work, and we need experts like you, even not so expert in whatever field, as long as you be involved, that's already a big part. Okay, so we will be giving more updates. Today is Saturday, tomorrow I'll be giving more updates, and then Monday we will be going full blast on social media to announce the platform's features, as well as our goals to help smallholder farmers from different regions. Okay, so I'll talk to you soon.